Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Sunday, March 16th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, yeah. Number 2, correct. You are a genius. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob must go to the hospital. Bob must go to the hospital. Hospital. A place with doctors and nurses to help you heal. Now we can make a flashcard for hospital. Bob is in the hospital now. Bob is at the hospital now. Both are correct. Please make a card like this. Write hospital up here in the top left corner. HOSPITAL. Down here in this corner, CTY1. This means city, level 1. And over here the number 25 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Ha. Spit. Till. Hospital. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We will play basketball on Saturday. We will play basketball on Saturday. Saturday. It is after Friday and before Sunday. Very good. Now we can make a flashcard for Saturday. The basic form is to do something on Saturday because it's only one day. And remember to use a capital S for Saturday because it is the name of a day. Please write Saturday up here in the top left corner. SATURDAY. Down here the code DAY1. This means day, level 1. And over here the number 3 out of 7. Do you know all 7? Very good. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Day. Saturday. Game over. You did really well today. Bob is sick. He must go to the hospital. Very good. And I will see you on Saturday. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Please repeat. Shift. This could be a movement, but usually we use it at work. If you work from 3 to 10, that's one shift. Number 2, Bob is not strong. He is weak. Very good. And the last one? I wonder. I wonder where Jennifer is. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side.